Unfortunately, this has been skipping quite a bit, but basically I got in a fight with the Fortune sisters, who are so on the nose and look like go-go girls. I cannot stand them. They belong in a 70s all-girl band, not a criminal organization that's supposed to actually be a threat. Dear Lord. Okay, so here we go. Back to the game. Okay. Now, I'm gonna do... I don't want to do that. Yeah, I'll switch Pokemon. Got any Psychic types? Nah. I wish I had my Staraptor with me. You know what? Yeah, I'll be fine. Interesting way to put it. Yeah, whatever. I'll use it. It won't be that much damage to myself, will it? I don't think so. I feel like she's a ripoff from Diamond and Pearl. What's that dude's name? The leader of Team Plasma? One of the Team Plasma guys, yeah. Galaxy Team, I see what they did there. Coin, once again, so damn on the nose. Why did I only battle one of them? I thought I'd be battling a lot more. Okay, whatever. That's a lie. That's fair. I got it. No, it's not. We all just surviving, buddy, okay? Why is it in days of spring, beneath the soft, caress of the sun, the blossoms tremble and fall? Spirits lashed by uncertainty, your days are numbered, galaxy fool. That was probably a raccoon tripping the security alarm. Okay, so... I would love to catch you, but unfortunately, I can't do that. Wish I could really catch a Tangrowth, but... that's gonna be even harder, and Okay, so I'm at the ruins, and, by the way, there's not much for me to... There's not much to the ruins, I don't think. Like, sadly, it's not like the first area. There's all these different expansive lands I get to go to, you know? Pretty standard, if you ask me. And weak Pokemon, too. Very good work. Very good work indeed, Cheesemaker. Got the fragment back safe and sound. I'm well aware of Calaba's reputation. They say she's stubborn, too old-fashioned, and so on. But she's given the Pearl Clan all she has, ever since she was young. She lived her prime years here in the Hisu region, trusting in the guidance of the almighty Sinnoh. I don't think it's that she hates the Diamond Clan or the Galaxy Team, rather. I think she simply loves the Pearl Clan very, very much. Anyway, I do hope you're able to calm... who's Frenzy? Wait, what? I have to do that too now? Aww. I didn't ask for that. Well, can I catch him, I guess? That's the question. So you come to bother me again. Well, come as often as you like. But It won't change my mind. Well, yeah. You're gonna give me something, right? Yeah, whatever that thing is, I'll calm it, I guess. Okay. Good as new. Ah, perfect. All lives touch other lives to create something new and alive. That's... okay. It's very vague. I'm not a fan of it. Okay, that's good. Really? And how did you... never mind. Okie dokie. As much I can do, I guess.